all about my peso.
I be all about my peso.
My chick on the other line, she keep on calling my phone, wondering when I'm gonna come home.
Shawty, I'm coming home.
I be all on the grind, so I ain't really got time. I be all about my peso.
I be all about my peso.
All about that cake, man. I'm tryna get rich. Shout out to my niggas, they be all about the fix, nigga.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy TuneChee, man, back at y'all again with another video. Man, if you're new to the channel, make sure y'all click that notification bell, man. Click that notification bell, man. Make sure y'all join the family, man. Shout out to the family, y'all. We on the way to 5K, so we can do another giveaway. Right now, y'all see, man, I'm looking kind of crazy right now. I got on some kind of little bummy clothes on my bummy shoes. Y'all already know, man, it's about to be a fun day today, y'all. I'm telling you, it's about to be a real fun day today. I'm with my dog Dino. He visiting his mom right now, so I'm like, you know what, let me cut this camera on while I got it. I got my camera, whatever, my first person view camera, so y'all gonna see all this first person point of view footage, all of that, y'all. Right now we about to hop on the bikes and we about to ride, y'all. So I wanted to give y'all this dope content. So let me get out the truck and show y'all what's going on. Y'all about to eat real quick until we get there. I'm gonna show y'all the track or whatever. So let me show y'all what's going on. Ooh. Y'all see it, man. Oh yeah, it's about to be a lit day today. We about to have some fun today, y'all. Shout out to the older subscribers, man. I know y'all remember when I copped this bike, man. I was with Boots. So we about to ride, y'all. I ain't fired them up in a minute, so we gonna fire them up. I only put 93 in there too, so yeah, man, I don't put 87 in there because the bike be sitting, but I need a few air in the tire or whatever. But y'all already know we gonna fire them up. Got a fresh oil change too, so I'm thinking about doing some mods to it, like changing out the muffler. Probably doing something with the gears or whatever, probably making them smaller. I don't know, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. I ain't brought the bike out in a minute or whatever, so let me know what y'all think, man. So about to hop back in this car or whatever. What's good with it, bro? Chilling. Huh? Oh yeah, man. Yeah, just getting a few little content, whatever, man. You know. Subscription. Yeah, appreciate it, dog. Appreciate it. Man, they got all these speed bumps over here, man. That's crazy.
Yeah, that's how you know it's crazy. Speeding off now here.
They got it all over there in Dalton on Woodline and all that. Crazy, dog.
We'll see where they be doing drive-bys and shit.
Yeah, man. So yeah, we about to slide, man. We about to.
Oh, I didn't see the dirt bike back there.
Yeah, man. About to slide, hop on the bikes. You know what I'm saying? So. About to have some fun.
From Miami, Florida.
Are you from Florida?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, man.
Stuff like this stuff is amazing.
Fun, bro.
That's all we do.
I'm telling you, bro, this is so much fun to me, bro. Like, man, like the outdoors.
YouTube page.
TuneChee, T-U-N-E.
Cause I'm one of them guys. I just be watching random stuff on YouTube.
Yeah.
I definitely.
Yeah, I'm gonna have some dope content with this.
I'll definitely subscribe to you.
Yeah, I'm gonna have some dope content with this, bro. This me right here.
Right.
Yep.
Nice meeting you.
Yep, nice meeting you too, bro. Mike, appreciate you, dog.
Thank you.
All right, bro. So, yeah, y'all. I'm about to finish eating this other hot dog. Finna wait on my dog Dino. But like I said, y'all, we got shout out to the new subscriber too, man. We got y'all already know, finna put these on. The windbreaker, so the wind won't get in my eyes. But I'm gonna have the glasses on. I mean, I'm gonna have the camera on up in here, y'all. So hopefully we'll see how that footage turn out. It's still daytime, so that's another good thing.
5 minutes later.
Yeah, we can pump up the NBI.
Y'all see it, man. We just my boy Dino, man. What's the word? We about to fill up, man. About to put some fuel, some petrol up in the truck, and we about to fill up with the put some fuel in the bikes or whatever. You say you need some air in your tires too?
Yeah.
All right. Oh yeah, we about to About to put some fuel up in the truck. I mean in the bikes or whatever. So y'all stay tuned, man. Ooh-wee. Yes, sir, man. About to slide, about to ride. Huh? What happened? Oh, you did? Y'all see it though, man. I'm just letting the bike warm up right now. Just letting it warm up right now, man. Get my dog Dino sliding. Yes, sir. Perfect.
I got a rock in my shoe, hold on. Shit. I got some rocks in my shoe.
Too many rocks for you at
Alright, y'all, man, we back at the crib, man. Hopefully y'all like the video or whatever, but y'all already know, man, the grind don't stop. So hopefully y'all like, you know, the content or whatever. I definitely appreciate y'all, man. We back at the crib, so y'all already know, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Drop down in the comments below, man. Make sure y'all smash that like button, man. The only way is up, man. The grind definitely don't stop. But alright, y'all, man, about to hop in the shower, man, and check out with another video. Alright, peace.